Welcome to my channel Wealth Concept 365. What if I told you that AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's creating online millionaires? From passive income to powerful productivity tools, AI is leveling the playing field. So what's stopping you? AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a wealth engine. Freelancers are using ChatGPT to write and sell books. Coaches use AI to launch entire courses in a weekend. Entrepreneurs automate entire drop shipping stores, YouTube channels, and trading bots with AI. What would you do if AI gave you an extra $1,000 a month? Comment below. Here's how you can start right now. AI writing. Use tools like ChatGPT plus Canva to create books and sell on Gumroad or Amazon. AI video automation. Build faceless YouTube channels with tools like Pictory, Synthesia, and Eleven Labs. AI affiliate marketing. Use Jasper plus Surfersio to build blogs and drive traffic to affiliate links. No-code AI app building. Tools like Adalo and Glide plus AI plugins. You don't need to code. You just need to know how to prompt. James from Nairobi earns $5,000 a month running an AI blog with no writing background. Blessing from Lagos launched a kids' storytelling YouTube channel with AI voices and animations, over 1K subs in 2 months. Maria built an AI meal plan app that now sells on Gumroad for $19.99, if they can do it. Why not you? The AI revolution is not coming, it's here. You can either scroll past it or build with it. You don't need money, you need momentum. You don't need to be a genius, you need grit. Like this video, subscribe for weekly step-by-step tutorials, turn on notifications, comment AI starter below, and I send you a free guide on 5 AI income ideas.